Hello, partners! Let's set up your loyalty programs, step by step. Start by selecting Programs from the main menu on the left side of the screen. There, you'll see two tabs, Referral Programs and Loyalty Programs. Click on Loyalty Programs to continue. To create a new one, select New Program. This will open a setup screen where you can start configuring your campaign. Choose one of the 4 program types: minimum purchase, product purchase, total order, new customer. Based on your selection, specific fields will appear for you to fill out. Now, enter the program name. This field is mandatory and limited to 30 characters. You'll also need to complete other required fields depending on the type you chose. Next, add your terms and conditions. Write the terms and conditions that will apply to the campaign you're creating, for example. TYs are limited to 1 per user per promotion, and don't forget to hit save. This step is required. Then, set the amount of TY the user will receive as a reward in this campaign. It's important to describe all the ones you consider important. When everything's ready, click Continue. A message will pop up reminding you that changes can't be made after saving. If you're sure, click Confirm. If not, cancel and review. After confirming, you'll be able to add optional details like campaign expiration date. This indicates until when the campaign will be active for the user. We activate the redemption limit per campaign button. It clearly indicates the maximum number of reward redemptions allowed in each initiated campaign. Activate the redemption limit per user button. It clearly indicates the maximum number of times each individual user can benefit from the campaign during its active period. Days and hours when the program is active. Set hours. These fields are optional and can be updated later. Once you're done, click Save to store the program. You'll be taken back to the main screen where all your programs are listed. Done. You have successfully created your referral programs. Follow us on our official social media for more information.